If you have a hard time using your phone in one hand, this is the iPhone's secret one-handed mode. On the keyboard, you tap and hold on the emoji button here, and you can tap on this button or this button right here to make the keyboard easier to type on with one hand. Just like that. And to make it full-sized again, you just tap on that arrow. So if you're trying to text with one hand while you're holding a coffee cup in the other, this can make it a lot easier. There's one other feature you should know about called Reachability. You can find it in Settings, Accessibility, Touch. Make sure you have it turned on right here. To use it, you swipe down with your finger on the bottom home bar at the bottom of the screen. So you hold your finger right here, swipe down, and then the whole screen will slide down. So you can tap on a button at the top that you can't reach with your thumb. If you have an older iPhone with a home button, you double tap your finger on the home button without clicking it. Tap anywhere on the top half of the screen to slide it back up. I'm Griffin Jones with Cult of Mac.